Hi pilots, Eduardo Hong here from Free Flight Citizens Association in Republic of Korea. Let's assemble 48-inch Razor 260 kit version made by Skywing today. First up, I will attach the servers, 2 ailerons, and 1 rudder, and finally 1 elevator. Okay. I will make lifting first. Aileron hinge here. By 5 hinges. I glued 5 hinges. In the next strings. Next is the assembly of the horizon stabilizer and the elevator pin. Tip 1. When assembling the horizontal fins, prepare A4 paper and wrap one side like this, so that the paint color is not damaged or scratched. So you can protect the paint color here and the elevator. Some of the horizontal fins before should not be fixed with glue yet. I assembled the landing gear and the main wing with the wing tips. This part is very important. Now I'm gonna fix the stabilizer and horizontal fins I didn't fix before. I'll give you a second tip here. As you can see, the important part is to fix the horizontal tail after making the distance between the ends of the left and right main wing and the ends of the horizontal tail equal. Make the distance between the horizontal tail and the main wings the same. Let's scale. The left main wing from left main wing to the left horizontal stabilizer. 65 and right wing and right horizontal stabilizer. 65, exactly same. Now fix it the instant adhesive the stabilizer. Tip 3. For the first balancing work, assemble all the rest of the equipment and parts except for the motor, propeller, and a spinner. The BC, receiver, and battery are not fixed yet. These parts are important factors that determine the aircraft's easy, balance, and controllability. First, assemble at the expected location with ties. Now, let's do some balancing work. By specifying 2 points on the vertical center line of the fuselage to be applied the balancing chain, like this. Now arrange the equipment randomly so that the aircraft is horizontal to its random. Let's check the horizontal wings. Which side is the lean? The work of selecting the location of devices for the first balancing is over. Make the location and randomly place the equipment. Now arrange the equipment randomly so that the aircraft is horizontal. This too is random. The work of selecting the location of the devices for the first balancing is over. Mark the location of randomly place the equipment. Now, assemble the motor and properly secure the propeller and spinner to the car. I dispatched the motor assembly. Now, I will check the left and right balancing again. Which side lean? How about that? Is it okay? All right. Now the assembly is complete here. The rest of the assembly is the tail landing wheel and the cowl and propeller and spinner. Now let's take a look at the indoor setup before the maiden in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.